If you want to delete a hosting or website, this quick guide will walk you through the exact steps so you can remove the site safely and with confidence. Whether you're cleaning up an old project, starting fresh, or no longer need a website on your hosting account, Hostinger makes it pretty straightforward once you know where to look. Just make sure you only delete the website you actually want to remove, because this action can be permanent. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software and website tutorials. Now let's get into it. First, log into your Hostinger account and open your Hostinger dashboard. This is where you manage all of your hosting services, domains, and websites in one place. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Websites section and click on it. This will take you to a list of the websites connected to your account. Now scroll through the list and find the website you want to delete. Take a moment here to double-check that you've selected the correct site, especially if you manage more than one website. It's always a good idea to confirm the website name before you continue. Next to the website you want to remove, you'll see a 3 dots icon, sometimes called the More Options menu. Click that icon to open the available actions for that website. From the menu that appears, click Delete. Hostinger will usually ask you to confirm this choice before it removes the website, so read the prompt carefully. When you're sure you want to proceed, confirm the deletion. Hostinger will then begin removing the website from your account. Depending on the size of the site and what data is stored, this may take a few moments. Once the process is complete, the website will no longer appear in your Hostinger dashboard. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a Hostinger website. If you were only trying to remove one old project, this is a clean way to keep your dashboard organized. Just remember to back up anything important before deleting, because once it's gone, it may not be easy to recover. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.